Good morning friends. In the today's lecture we will see addressing modes for TMS 320676 processor. So basically addressing mode is nothing but it determines how one access a memory. That is, addressing refers to mean to specify location of operands for the instruction. So that type of addressing we called as addressing mode. So in that the operands may be an input operand for the operation as well as result for a operation. There are different types of addressing mode supported by TMS 320, that is nothing but register indirect, index register indirect and modulo addressing, that we called as a circular addressing. Then also immediate addressing. So that TMS 320 does not support modulo addressing for 64-bit data, it support only for a 32-bit data. Then immediate. So in that immediate addressing mode, operand is a part of a instruction, that is nothing but we can say add L1 13, A1, A6, that type of instruction. Then another one is register addressing mode, that is nothing but operand is specified in a register, that is like this example, add L1, A7, A6, A7. Then after that direct addressing mode. So this type of addressing mode is a part of an instruction but that is not supported. The next one is the indirect addressing mode. In that, address of the operand is stored in a register, that is we called as a LDW L1 A5 plus 8. That is indirect, means whatever the address we added with particular addressing. Then register indirect addressing mode. As operand is located in a memory address stored in a register, so special group of a register can be used to store the addresses. Most important addressing mode in this is a DSP. It is efficient from instruction set point of view. Then 32-bit register are used as a pointer. That R register R contains address of memory location where data value to be stored. Then this is nothing but R++ D, that register R contains memory address. After the memory address is used, R is post incremented such that new address R+1 if D is equal to 1. That plus means value of register get incremented when we added value D is equal to 1, or it can be subtracted if double minus sign and updated the address by D minus 1. Then plus R of D, that is address is pre-incremented or offset by D, current address is R plus D or R minus D. Then after that plus R of D, address is pre-incremented by D such that current address is R plus D. Then this is nothing but one we can see the example, delay line implemented with shifting of sample. When we apply new sample, new input here sample x of n, this value x of n minus 0 and minus 1 to that type of value get decremented. Then delay line pointer manipulation using circular addressing. In that again we are applying new input sample x of n and the value, whatever the value we are start from a higher increasing value, that is mean oldest sample, like as x of n minus 3, x of n minus 2, like this. Next one is addressing mode register, that is AMR. So for each of that register A4, A7, B4, B7 that can perform linear or circular addressing, addressing mode register specify the addressing mode. A 2-bit field for each register selects the address modification mode, that is linear or circular. So with circular addressing, the field also specified with block size used for a circular buffer.